So how do you detox? Detox is very simple, okay? You're gonna go 100% fruits. You just change your diet. 100% fruits, nothing else. You can eat any fruits you want. I love the citrus fruits, the oranges, because they are very astringent. They pull toxins, they break down mucus, okay? Mucus busting. And then you're gonna do this breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and whenever you're hungry, you can eat as much as you want. There's no calorie counting. You can juice it as well. And then take herbs, okay? This is a Fab 5. We use Fab 5 because Fab 5 targets the main organs and systems of the body. It targets the adrenals, the kidneys, the lymphatic system, the endocrine system, and the stomach and bowels, okay? This the major systems and organs of the body that you need to be fixed, because you need to fix your digestion, and that's where the liver and gallbladder and the pancreas is. So this is the endocrine glands. You need to fix the lymphatic system because it removes the acids from your cells, okay? It removes acids from your cells. You need to fix the kidneys because the kidneys gets rid of those acids. And you need to fix the stomach and bowels because, you know, digestion is absorption is where you use nutrients. So all these things have to be fixed. And that's why we use the fruits to clean up everything, to energize the cells, and we use the herbs to clean up the cell at a deep level, okay? It's very simple. You just stick to it, give some time, 4, 5, 6 weeks. You see the changes are remarkable.